coming together. Sluice box, gold dredge, waterfall, step waterfalls. This is gonna be like the water goes in here, goes down there, and then bends out around on both sides and drops like right in here. But these are walls. I gotta do more. It ain't done. Done by any means. It's got a white. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you like it.